Good morning, Alder. How you doing, buddy? Have a treat for you here. Outside our building here, they're getting ready to do some repaving, as you see. And got some cool, Jones Brothers, one of the big companies here. Got a cool little brush machine, cleanup machine. And there's your Wirtgen, buddy. Get a close-up of that milling machine. Really cool. I know how much you like the Wirtgen, and this is about as close as you're ever going to get to one. Well, unless you decide to do this for a living. Hope you have a great day, bud.